we are still out here at Menard Park, and we came across some birch trees that have fallen. What we want to do is, because it's freshly fallen, we can actually peel the bark for making baskets. I'm choosing this one because if you look around, there's a lot of them. But this one I chose because it has a crack right here down on the side. And I want to take the pocket knife and I'm going to go ahead and score all the way around the body of the tree. And then I'm going to take this little peeler and I'm going to go on the inside and go around the tree so we can use it for basket making. I made this in Tinkercad as well and 3D printed it with the Birch tapper, and it's just a simple oval that was kind of elongated, and I flattened one side just so it'll be easier on the 3D printer to print it standing upwards. And then if you look on the bottom side, it has like a little curve. You can't really see it with this, but there's a little curve to kind of go underneath. It is designed for a right-handed person because it's this angle is to go inside the birch tree. Like if I were to continue this one, I would want to go inside and go under and go around that way. So now I'm going to take the pocket knife and I'm just gonna start scoring. You want to make sure that you are away from knots, and you're gonna go around your tree. So I'm underneath the tree. I don't know if you can see it yet, but I'm kind of pushing the front part underneath and kind of holding it with the other hand. Voila. So this would make a better, smaller container, like if you had somebody who was a beater and they needed a little tray for their needles for sewing.